guys, welcome back to my channel Makeup Simplified. Today's video is about at-home spa or facial. Right now, because of the quarantine, none of us are able to go to salons, and to be honest, a little bit of TLC is gonna help everyone to uplift your moods. So let's get started. For this spa session at home, you can use all the DIY masks that I have mentioned on my Instagram. Check my Instagram at make.up.simplified. Be sure to use the mask that suits your skin type. Also, if you need to change the mask or change some of the products to suit your skin, it's perfectly fine. Let's start with the first step. Now you're gonna take all your makeup off with either an oil-based cleanser or some other cleanser that suits your skin type. Follow this with a gentle cleanser. I currently love using the Forest Essentials Kashmiri Saffron and Neem cleanser. I've already washed my face, so I'm just gonna go over to the next step. Step 2 is the steamer. I love the steamer from Amazon and I've linked it in the description box below. Always be careful when you're using steam on your face. Whichever technique you use, make sure that you stay safe. This helps to open up the pores, which is essential for the next steps that we're gonna follow. Step 3 is the exfoliation. I recently started using the Visual Skin Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. This scrub has actually helped me a lot with hyperpigmentation around my mouth. You can also use it on your lips. Try to avoid using exfoliants that have walnut scrub because it actually will damage the skin barrier, causing bacterial infections and breakouts. I'm gonna now wipe it all off. I'll be right back. Step 4 is the toner. I'm going to be using the Mamond Rose Water Toner. It's essential that you use a hydrating toner right after exfoliation. This toner is non-drying and it is suitable to all skin types. It helps to soothe the skin. I have not joined the bandwagon yet to add essence to my skincare routine yet. I don't know if it's really gonna do anything additional to my skin, but you can let me know in the comments below if you think essence is good for skin. Step 5 is my DIY matcha green tea mask. This mask is made by mixing 1 teaspoon of matcha green tea, which is organic and food grade, and 1 teaspoon of oatmeal, which is finely ground. You can mix it with milk, honey, or rose water. Matcha green tea has a lot of antioxidants in it. Oatmeal is a humectant, so you can use it for dry skin. Also, it has natural exfoliation properties, so you can also use it if you have oily skin, so it's beneficial for both types of skin. So we're gonna leave the mask on for 10 minutes. Don't let it get too dry because you still want your skin to be hydrated. Next step is the mask. Today I will be using the Tony Moly Ultra Collagen Mask Sheet. You can also use any of the DIY masks I've mentioned on my Instagram. My skin is a combination of dry to normal, so I like to use hydrating facial mask instead of a clay-based facial mask, but feel free to use that suitable to your skin type. At this time, you can use the Quartz Gua Sha Tool to massage gently over the contours of your skin. It helps to reduce muscle tension and improve circulation. Let's take this off, and whatever excess is there, just gently rub it into your skin. Always go upwards when you're doing any kind of facial. Step 7 is the serum. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Ultra Replenishing Hydrating Serum. It's got hyaluronic acid, it's got coconut water, and it has dragon fruit and vitamin B5. Step 8 is the skin cream. For a luxurious feel, I'm going to be using the Forest Essential Advanced Sanjeevani Beauty Elixir. It smells so exotic. By the way, Forest Essential also delivers internationally, so you can go ahead and order some stuff from there. This moisturizer helps to instantly plump the skin and over time also helps to improve skin elasticity. Step 9 is the eye cream. I'm going to be using the Belief Peach Miracle Revital Eye Cream. Use your ring finger to apply it right here. Next step is the facial oil. I'm using the Ordinary Rosehip Seed Oil. The skincare line by this brand is so amazing and it is so inexpensive that everyone should own some products by The Ordinary. The facial oil I'm gonna rub on my hand and then just dab it on my skin. Last but not the least, the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I've been using it for the last 2 years or so now. This lip mask is so perfect that it plumps my lips overnight, and here you are done with your at-home spa session. You can have the spa session at home once a week or whenever you feel like it because it's so relaxing and it's always good to take some good care of your skin.